A lot of people don't improve because they draw randomly instead of studying intentionally. Let me show you how I've been going about learning to draw faces. First off, you're going to find good reference images. You can go on Pinterest, Google, your favorite animated series or manga, honestly, anywhere. Just make sure you pick clear face references for whatever it is you need to practice. Alrighty, step one down, get the references. Step two, we have to actually practice with said references. This step, you're mostly training your eye more than your hand, but you can't just stare at the image. Like I said, you actually have to draw it. Like literally trace it. I don't care. Even if you're not thinking about it too much subconsciously, you're learning. Isolate the different facial features, being eyes, nose, mouth, ears, whatever it is you need to work on exactly. I would honestly suggest taking notes on small things that would help with your consistency down the line. For example, I drew a line up from the sides of the mouth to see where it aligns in comparison to the eyes. And that way my drawings don't end up looking like this motherfucker. Alright, step 3. Do the same features, but on your own. I know, your heart probably dropped to your ass. We're just doing the facial features individually. We aren't putting everything together just yet. That way it makes learning faster. You can actually focus on one problem at a time instead of answering every single question on the quiz at once. What we're going to do now is attempt a full face. Please don't expect perfection. The goal is to see what you've improved on and see what still feels off and needs work. Take note of whatever problems might come up. Maybe your eyes are uneven, maybe your head's too damn big, that's what's throwing everything off. Maybe the mouth placement feels weird. You gotta identify the exact problem and take note instead of just being like, that looks wrong, and continuing on with your day. Alright, we've got the face down. Let's do it one more time, one last time. Just stick with me here, okay? I promise I got your best interest. It's gonna seem redundant, but I got you. Listen, alright? This is the part that most people skip. Once you know your weaknesses, study references specifically for those problems. That's how you can improve fast. If you feel you have no weaknesses, I like your confidence. But at the same time, you should still apply yourself and practice because even Steph Curry works on his shooting every day. And trust me, bro, you're not Steph Curry. As you single out your problems and study references specifically for said problems, you're pretty much done. Next step is just a whole lot of repetition, a whole lot of fucking up and doing it again and making it even worse the next time. Eventually, you'll reach your desired result. And that's literally it. Observe, practice, analyze, repeat. With that said, I'm gonna just let the speed draw continue to play here. That way you'll be able to see that I'm actually a man of my word and I'm not telling you to just go repeat things over and over and over again for no reason. My art isn't the best by any means, but I think even a blind man can see that by the end of this, when comparing my first drawing, I'd improved significantly. At this point, other than him being bald, I had pretty much achieved my desired result. And as you can see here, it's much better than what I drew at first. I think this leans perfectly into my next video too. I wanted to talk about hair, all the different types, and exactly how to draw them. That's all. Hope you learned something, hope you enjoyed, and by all means, keep improving.